Fix Facebook Lite font size setting missing problem, easy solution, 2025. Hey there, welcome back. If you're facing the issue of missing font size settings in Facebook Lite, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you an easy trick to fix this problem using your phone settings. Let's dive in. First, open your Settings app. This method works on both Android and iPhone, so it's easy for everyone to follow. Next, scroll down and tap on Display or Display and Brightness, depending on your phone model. Now, under Display Settings, look for Font Size or Text Size and tap it. Use the slider to increase the font size. You'll see a preview immediately, making it easy to find your perfect size. Once you've adjusted the font, head back to your Facebook Lite app. You'll notice that everything, posts, menus, and comments, now appears in larger text. This change applies across your whole phone, so all your apps will show bigger fonts. Light bulb bonus tips. On iPhone, go to Accessibility, Display and Text Size, larger text for more options. On Android, some devices offer extra large fonts under Display Settings. Want everything bigger? Adjust Display Size along with font size for an even clearer view. And there you have it. You've successfully fixed the font size issue on Facebook Lite using your phone settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy tech solutions. See you in the next one.